Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com. Today in this video we will discuss about column tool in Revit architecture. Like door and window we discussed already. It's also a simple type of uh, family in Revit architecture. So for the column, in drop down menu you can select its type, structural column or architectural column. We are working on architectural drawings. We are working on as architectural tools. So I will discuss architectural column. You also can discuss its bearings, loads, etc. in structural columns if you want. So let's select column architecture. In the drop down menu from the type selector you can select different types and sizes of columns. So here we have one type, rectangular column. I will load a family here, edit type and load, and in the columns you can select different type of columns. I will open it. And okay, so here we have just one type, and we also can edit it if you want. So I will duplicate it and I will make its dia to 1 feet from 16 inches. 1 feet 6 inches, sorry, from 18 inches to 1 feet. Okay, and I will select its dia from 1 feet 6 inches to 1 hair, and I will apply it. Okay, now you can rotate it after placement if you want. So I will do it later in this video. Also you can specify its height and depth, and from level 1 to level 2. A room bounding we will discuss this later. It works as a quantity tool. So I will zoom a bit and place somewhere in your drawing. Now switch to 3D view. Sorry. So that's how we placed our columns. Now switch back to level 1, and now we will go switch back to column architecture, and here we have the option rotate after placement. So I checked it, and now when you place it somewhere in your drawing, after that you can rotate it, and here you can specify its rotation angle. For example, I will do a 45. Again place here, and you can specify its 135 will be enough, I think. Now switch back to 3D view and see how it works. I will move it a bit, so after zooming you will see it. That's how we rotate it on 45 and 135 angle, and that's these columns are without rotation. So I want to place architectural column, and I want it a rectangle column. So switch back to level 1 and column architectural. Now select one of its types, for example 18 inches, but I want my column, rectangular column, that have a width of 1 feet. So edit your type, duplicate it, and here we will do it 1 feet multiply by 1 feet. That will be its name. So you must change its depth and width later, like 1 feet, and change its depth width to 1 feet. You also can change material later. We will do it. Now just focus on simple editing. 1 feet, 1 feet, and okay. You also can preview it if you want. You also can preview it. So apply it. You will see it from here. Okay. Now place it somewhere in your drawing. You also can rotate it like we did it before. So place it here and now rotate it. I will do on 30 angle and now switch back to 3D view. That's how we placed our rectangular columns and other types of columns. So that's it. Column is much easier than a wall and a window or door tool. You also can download families, and later we will edit and create our own column families, inshallah. So I hope you will like my videos. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, like it and share my videos. See you in next videos. Bye.